Say hi. Another Saturday, I'm on drop-off duty, and it's actually so nice. You know the weather is getting nice when I wash my car. I don't know what that's about, but yeah, the weather is getting real festive. My car is clean. I love that for me. So nice out. I'm in a good mood. We are outside. We are getting things done. Let me turn this down. Drinking my water. I just washed my car. You know the weather's nice. Like if the car is clean, the weather is nice. So trying to just get some stuff done before JV leaves school at 12. So I have an hour and a half, about an hour actually. So I'm gonna go to the gas station, and then we have some free Playtime class booked for 1:15. So I have some time to kill. It's actually really warm, but you know when you wash the car, you can't like pull the windows down right away, then it leaves the streaks. Actually open this then. Yeah, it's actually such a nice day out. If you don't have a sunroof, no shade to y'all, but if you don't have a sunroof in this nice weather, what are you doing? You got the curls and the coils are out, all the things. I think I'm gonna go to this gas station here. Yeah, let me go this way. Yeah, that's pretty much the agenda for today. I will fill y'all in as I go. The sun is shining. I hope this camera is not like super, what do you call it? Blurry. For what? Yeah, I saw Monday's gonna rain. Keep going, keep going. Go, go. Look, what are you doing? Keep going. So we're at this playground, and it's literally just him up here. Like there's no one else up here. It's in Larchmont. It's not too far, and it's super windy, but it's so nice out. Big old bag. You like it? No, thank you. I'm over it. Hi, JV. I wonder if he tried to give his car back to.
Come from inside?
I don't know. I don't like none of these. It looks a little boring. Me neither. I like the white one. The white one looked more me. All right, we're back to Audi.
Round 2.
Loyal customers.
Not me.
Where do we want to go? Oh no, that's service.
No anymore.
I'm loyal. Back to where I'm comfortable. I don't know what this is, but it looks like me. R6. Why? What happened? What a RS? It's a hatchback? Since when they got hatchbacks? Oh, this was my car. The paint. Remember?
I'm buying.
With the. Oh, I love this. I see. This would make me happy. Not the size. It's a Q7. Not this. Yeah, no, I don't need this. But okay, we can't afford that. Calm down.
If this is the case, you want to go to his dealership and do it?
If I can get. I don't know, but I'm excited to be here. I'm happier in Audi than I was in Benz.